can tell you wasn't no Jesse James.
Because he wasn't hitting nothing, was he?
Y'all have any predictions how we're gonna do today? You know, like a football game, what's the score gonna be? What do you think?
We got 10? Full limit.
10 people. What do you think? Full
30
limit?
birds.
30 birds.
30 birds.
By what time?
Oh, 3 o'clock.
That's like calling
What
over
time?
and under.
I'm gonna say 2:30.
1:45.
Boy, that's a bold statement there. 1:45.
2:30 on my time. Tiger blood. I'm winning.
I think this makes 11 years. It's 11th year, I believe.
Is that right?
Yeah, we used to go to Kansas. And we moved up, advanced to the major leagues up here.
Look what you missed. Your dad took care of you, though.
Come Shot, Johnny!
Hey, Hunter, we miss you.
I missed one twice out there.
How many times? How many times? How many times
Why didn't you shoot?
Huh?
Why didn't you shoot?
I knew he was dead. I saw you.
Whatever.
He was dead.
Whatever.
I
He
saw
still
you.
ain't dead.
We're a team. We're a team.
Brad, we wish you were here, son.
Right. Hay bale, we're in the hay bale.
Yeah, I know.
Two people over there.
I'm gonna walk. I'll walk through the middle and flush them.
That's what I'll do.
I'll walk on outside. I'm gonna shoot.
Gary and I'll go through the middle.
You blocking?
Somebody got
I'm
it.
blocking.
You blocking?
Somebody's
Dean?
gonna have to get on the outside.
Somebody else wants to.
Quarterback going through the middle.
I'm going right through the middle. I ain't going through the middle. I'll go through the middle on a lot of it, though.
Rooster.
Get that bird. Get that bird. Come here, Hank.
You take Eric and go around, come out where the hay bales are, and sit over there where you can see the pasture.
Okay. On the back side.
Get on top of that shed be the ideal.
Hey, yeah. Can you heal? Hey, cameraman!
Right there.
Rooster! I got it!
Rooster. Hunter, wish you were here.
Johnny!
Got through there.
Oh my goodness. Hey, we want to say hello to some people.
Yeah, we want to say hello to people.
Yeah.
Christopher, David, wish you were here.
Wish you were here.
I hate to have to go back and work, but we took care of y'all today.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We enjoyed it. Thank you for coming. Letting us come.
Glad you let us come. Thank you, Bev, Anna, Pam, and Miss Alberta, and Miss Patty for letting these boys come.
Send my way.
Reese Witherspoon.
Hi, Cameron. Hi, Carter.
And Reese Witherspoon.
And Reese.
Martin,